Twisters, and welcome back to Twister Recipe. On today's special menu, we're going to make it some jollof. How do you make your jollof at home? Are you from any other part of Africa? You guys know about the jollof war, but we're not here for the jollof war. We're just here to make a simple jollof recipe. And hands down, I still think Senegalese have the best jollof, so go argue with your ancestors. So let's just get down into my quick jollof rice recipe of how I make my jollof. I have various ways of making jollof, but today I'm just going to make it the easiest way. If you want to make jollof, this is what we do. I'm going to go ahead and put in 2 cups of oil in here. Depending on the quantity in which you're cooking, just make sure that you match the measurement. I'm going to go ahead and add in my chopped onions. And guys, I use 1.5 onions. The main ingredient of every jollof is tomato paste, and I'm using 1 can of this because I really want my jollof to have flavor in there, so you can fry with the onions. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. If you're old, thank you guys for your continuous love and support. Again, this is a quick tutorial video of how to make jollof. I will fry it until the onions become translucent. At this point, I'm just going to go ahead and throw in 2 bay leaves, and I'm going to fry it with this as well. Bay leaves are really good, and thyme for jollof. It has all separated. That's how you know it's ready. And so now I'm going to go ahead and add in a little bit of my blended peppers that I blended with some garlic and a little bit of ginger on there. So you have to constantly stir it so it don't burn. If it burns, it's going to give your jollof rice that bitter taste which you don't want. And this is just to give it that flavor. This is what we're going to add in our broth. I'm using my chicken broth, estimated like 4 to 5 cups. 3 main ingredients for jollof that you want to use. 1 is bay leaf, 2 is thyme, 3 you can put a little bit of curry, 4 you must have your bell peppers blended, and scotch bonnet, that's a given, and 5 onions is a must. Guys, we're going to begin seasoning. I'm using 2 Maggie cubes, and we're going to adjust the seasoning soon. Adding a teaspoon of curry powder in there, some garlic powder, some onion powder, some cayenne pepper, some paprika, a little bit of Cameroon pepper. Cameroon pepper is fire. Some salt, and I'm going to throw in 1 fresh thyme in there, and I'm just going to stir this up and let this boil and steam up a little bit before adding my rice. And I'm using the long grain parboiled rice. I have 6 cups of rice in here. I'm just going to put it in here. Go ahead and stir this in. And 6, the tomato paste is everything and more. And 7, your rice. And 8, some spices. And 9, some love. And you got you some quick jollof right there. Now I'm going to go ahead and add in some dry thyme in here for this, and some ground nutmeg. Nutmeg will bring out all the other flavors. The secret ingredient I was talking about to get that smoked jollof is this right here. It's called liquid smoke. It brings out that smoky flavor, so I'm just going to put a bit in here. That was the last part of my seasoning. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and cover it now, so the heat can trap and slowly cook the rice. That's why we cover it with the aluminum foil paper. And we're going to put our heat on low and let it slowly cook till the jollof rice is ready. It's going to take shape. Stay tuned for the finished product. I'll be back with you guys shortly. So guys, we're going to go ahead and open our pot and see how it's doing. Guys, look at this jollof. Ooh, it's the color for me, and it's the aroma as well. The aroma is bursting from this kitchen. Guys, you want to gently stir this and mix it together. Look at jollof that went to Harvard and back. I can smell that smoke flavor that I put in there to get that original smoked jollof. So if you're not taking your notes right now in class, get with the recipe. Everything is looking and smelling so good. This is how you make jollof. Lesson 101. So guys, this is the end of our jollof rice. Stay tuned as I go ahead and dish this out. And again, if you came late to class, take out your pen and paper and follow the recipe as I stated in the beginning. Comment below how you make your jollof rice and where you're watching from, and I shall be responding to you guys. So guys, stay tuned for the finished product where I get to pair this up with some nice smoked turkey, and then we're going to get into verdict time, because verdict time is the moment of truth. But guys, see, this is jollof 101. See, when the rice is all singled out, you can smell the flavor. Look at this. If you're in the United States and you like some jollof from me, please comment below. I shall be doing a little giveaway. I'll cook you some jollof for free. It's time for the jollof verdict. Let's go ahead and taste that jollof and get right into the verdict of it. So guys, this recipe is super easy to make. The flavor, the aroma, everything is delicious. Do not forget to try this recipe at home. I still think Senegalese make the best jollof rice recipe, and that's on hands down, period. Taste it and you should testify, and there will be no jollof war. Guys, do not forget to like, share, subscribe, leave your comments below, and tag me over on Instagram at CheffJeanne. Thank you guys for all the love and support. Click the notification button, alerts of new videos posted every week. I'll see you on our next video. Love you all. Stay blessed. Kisses and deuces.